Push that button. Okay, now pull back on this. Stop. Look what this one does. It turns and it picks. See this one right here out the window? If you pull back on that lever, it lifts this part up, and if you push this lever, the bucket will go away from you or back, and then if you push this one, push it to the side over here. Push it. No. Push the whole thing toward the window. Okay, make us go backwards. Pull it back. Gentle. Okay, right there. Okay, now push this one out gentle. The little bit less you do it, the slower that goes. So push this one out and this one down at the same time. It'll make the bucket push the logs. Push it down a little bit. Now push that one down at the same time. Alright, now pick it up a little bit. On this one, pick it up a little bit.
This?
Nope, on this lever, pull it back a little bit. It'll set us back on the ground. A little bit more till the bucket comes out. A little bit more. Till you see the teeth. Keep going. Pull back. There you go. Now push out on this one and down on this one gentle at the same time and make the bucket push the logs over. Okay, now push down on this one. You can do them together at the same time. Other way. Nope. Pull this one back. Right there. Now push down on this one. Straight down. Nope. On this lever. Straight down so the teeth go by the dirt. Okay, do a little bit more. On this one, a little bit more down. A little bit more. Okay, now push this one out gentle. And you have to push this one down at the same time. Both of them together. See? Now let this one, now just push this one a little bit by itself. Okay, now pull it back a little bit. Now lift up on this one. Now pull this back a little bit and do them at the same time. At the same time. See how it makes the bucket come back to you flat? Okay, turn us around. Push that toward the door. Okay, now drive us. You have to push them, pull them back towards you. Nope. Drive us with these. Pull this one back a little bit first, and it'll make us straight. Nope. Pull it back. This one more. Hold on. Do them gentle. You see how it's easy to make it rock back and forth, and how Dad bumped your head on the window? Okay, now pull them together so we go toward the logs. A little bit. Now just this one a little bit. Okay. Okay, now you hold this. So it's on the bucket. Dad will scoop some logs, and then you can drive again. Okay, see how we're straight with our tracks right here? Now push these forward, gentle at the same time, and we'll walk towards our log deck. Right there. Now put them on top of the pile. Remember how? Push the other button, it'll close again. Push the bottom one and it'll close. All the way till it stops. There you go. Now push the levers, both of these, so that it goes on top of the log deck. Nope. Pull this one back. Okay, now push that one out. Straight out toward the window. Nope, we don't need that one yet. Close it again. Okay, push the whole thing out. Keep going. No. Now push them together so it goes straight away from us. Push both of these to the same amount toward the window. Okay, all right. Pull this one back a little bit so we're on the ground. All right, now open the thumb. Okay, pull this one back. Now push this one toward the glass. Good job. Okay, now make it come back to us. Yep, that's right. Pull this one back. Now pull this one. Hold on. Now lift this one. A little bit more. Okay, pull this one back. Now do them both together. Both of them. Both of them. More on this one. Okay, right there. Turn us. Gentle. Okay, now pull them back and go over there.